Lesia Ukrainka Park is a small park. It's located nearby a railway station. There is a sign I love Kovel and Alley of Heroes, an inhabitant of Kovel city who were killed, who died, who gave their lives during Russian fascist invasion to Ukraine. Eternal memory to the heroes. So the park itself is rather small. Of course, in winter time it's completely gloom, dark, snow, and so on. I found here some figures, some animals, bears or frogs. It was very difficult to understand. But okay, further there are several photos which I found in the internet, which can give you general imagination how this park looks like in summer, spring period.